Hi there, we're Brad and Diana from It's About Time Now, and in this video we continue our exploring our own backyard. We're going to show you how we relax when we go to Disney World. The first thing we want to do when we get to Disney World is park our vehicle so we don't have to move it again. One of our favorite new rides is the Skyliner. This is a very relaxing way to get from Hollywood Studios to Epcot. One of our other favorite rides is the Ferry Boats. You get to see things that you cannot see from the road, and it's quite relaxing to let somebody else do the driving. You can also get from one park to another, or from many of the resorts to the parks.
Alright, welcome aboard, ladies and gentlemen, the Friendship Boat number 8. We are headed to Yacht Club, Beach Club, Boardwalk, and our final stop will be Epcot. Woo!
Holidays are some of our favorite times to go up and visit Disney World. Each resort themes itself differently for the holidays. We were thrilled to find in the Yacht Club this year a small model railroad layout. Once inside Epcot, one of my favorite places to go is Germany. This garden railroad layout here in Germany has been here for years. We always enjoy stopping and watching these trains run. We've always been early risers, so it's fun to be at Magic Kingdom when they first drop the rope in the morning and open the park. You can literally walk straight back to the back of the park in Frontierland, and it's like you have the entire theme park to yourself.
Hi! Oh yeah. So early, Splash Mountain is going around empty. Oh, you know it's gonna be packed today, though. All right, Big Thunder Mountain. Stand by. 10 minutes.
What to do. After we rode Thunder Mountain, we could have gotten right back on, but instead, we headed for Splash Mountain, which also had a 10-minute wait. One of the other very relaxing rides at Disney World is the beautiful Liberty Belle. She's a replica of the steam river boats of the past, and she's actually powered by a steam engine. Okay, don't get us wrong. Just because this particular day was great doesn't mean every day is like that. Quite often the rides at Disney World can be up to an hour wait. However, we still love to go. One of my favorite rides at Disney World is the Tomorrowland People Mover. This was Walt's dream of a magnetic powered transportation system, and is actually in use in some areas of the world today. We love to ride this ride. It's peaceful. It goes through several of the rides in Tomorrowland, and the lines are usually quite short. Okay, I know what you're thinking. How come you guys haven't addressed any of the much more advanced rides? Well, I cannot ride any of the real strong roller coasters anymore due to balance issues. But we still go to Disney World and we still have a wonderful time. During the holidays, there is one thing you cannot miss, and we're on our way to Epcot to show you what that is. If you find yourself at Disney World between Thanksgiving and Christmas, you must take in the Candlelight Processional. This is a beautifully orchestrated show with Christmas music, and it is amazing.
Say to them, fear not, for behold, I bring you good news of great joy.
Okay, we're really enjoying traveling around Florida, and of course we always enjoy Disney World. It has a lot to offer to just about everyone. Tell us what your favorite thing is here to do. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. We're currently working on our next video. We welcome you to come along with us and enjoy the ride. Thank you for watching. See you next time.